Welcome back to Ammo's Almanac. This is the third episode in the series. If you haven't seen episode 1 and 2, you can check them out up here. But this is a quick update on a package I received from my parents. So shout out to them for sending me this. My dad actually bought me this kit a while ago. Speaking of which, he made his first holding one at Observatory Golf Course in Johannesburg on hole 4 on the 8th of August 2025. So well done on that. But let's get this open and see what we've got in here. Okay, so first up, cycling jersey. Specialized cycling jersey. There's the pockets at the back. Cycling shorts. It's got the padding as well. Shimano pedals. See, there's a note inside of these. And finally, cycling shoes with the clipping cleats as well. So that's it for the package unopening. Seems like I've got all of the kit now and the bike. So I've got everything I need to take my cycling journey to the next level. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.